Monday Morning Mastermind. This week's topics: best practices as a mortgage broker. Number one, tell your clients never to move their down payment around. Ask them for any transaction aside from the deployment that goes into the account to talk to you before you do anything and never again move the down payment to other accounts. Number two, always do planning with your clients. If you do not do planning, then the value will default to the rate. So either you do some sort of planning and help them in other ways, or the default will be rate, and then you have a higher possibility of losing that client. Number three, we've talked about this before. Have a not to do list after an approval or a pre approval. Send them that list or video and make sure that they know what to do and what not to do after an approval or pre approval. Number four, know your client. You should go a little bit deeper with your clients on two areas: their financial and your relationship with them. The more you are in sync with the client, the better you will do as a mortgage broker. Number five, set expectations with your clients for them and for you in terms of ethics, in terms of relationship, how fast they should give you the documents, how often and how fast are you going to return your phone calls and emails and texts. The more clear the communication, the better it's going to be, but always set those expectations up front. Number six, have a good CRM or Excel or some sort of system so you can track of all your clients and you're able to follow up with them. Remember, as a top agent at the Mastermind said, the money is in the follow-up. Another one, have a no type of mortgage list and a no type of client list. So you should know what you're best at and what you should not be good at. So if you have a type of application that you're not very good at, don't do it. Refer to somebody else. If you have a type of client that you don't like to have that clear and do not deal with them. Only deal with the ones that you have very good connections and the type of application that you're an expert at. Another excellent tip: have a software like Text Expander where you can build templates and send templates for everything. It saves you a lot of time and you look like a pro. Most agents have a dedicated time to follow up and to talk to clients and clients, previous applications, referral sources. We all talk in the industry about doing 10 calls a day or 10 contacts a day or 10 videos a day where you actually are interacting with another human being and you're able to reconnect, provide value, and ask for referrals. On a purchase, do daily updates from the moment you get the contract until subject removal, and then weekly updates from subject removal until closing, so you always keep your clients informed. There is not such a thing as over communication. Issues with communications are always because you don't communicate enough to your clients or referral sources. Build and follow up with your referral sources on a weekly basis. It's a very good habit. Keep in contact with them, go deep, become an ambassador to them and them an ambassador to you. Those relationships where we call win-win are the best. Have high ethical values like integrity. This is common sense, but sometimes in a lot of industries it's not common sense. And also the value of consistency is very important. Do the same thing over and over again. That will show you professionalism with referral sources and clients. Very important one. In this business, you never stop learning. So you have to go through lender guidelines, you have to go through the initial training, but then you have to read books, listen to podcasts, follow Instagram accounts, be at the top of your industry, always understanding and learning anything that is mortgage related. You have to definitely be the expert that you claim to be. For me, the most important, track everything. You need to track number of contacts that you do every day, number of face-to-face conversation via Zoom, person-to-person or other, number of intake applications, number of pre-approvals, number of approvals, number of funded files, and your income. If you do not track your numbers, you do not know where are the problems in your business. If you do track them, you have the possibility of fix it and keep your practice growing and growing every year. And I left the last one as the best one. Join the Monday morning mastermind that we're running. We are right now 303 mortgage brokers and agents. We all come together to give best practices, best tips, help each other out. There is nothing like it. There is no faster way for you, and not only on the short term, but over the long term, to gain knowledge and learn from others. Join our mastermind. All the best.